Anybody out there like $1 million spaghetti? I know I do. Well, today we're doing $1 million spaghetti in the Instant Pot. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Look at that cheese melt over the top. Some hot Italian sausage, Italian meatballs, twirled around with some spaghetti. Ha! Doesn't get much better than that. I've been working on this recipe for months, just getting it just right. No problems with the perfect flavor. Well, that's me. I am Instant Pot Dave of TheWildWaynes. Getting things started with a drink here. Alright. And now we're going to go ahead and mix some of that $1 million cheese that goes in on top at the very end here. And some garlic. We'll put that in a large mixing bowl. And some ricotta cheese, which is a secret here. I think ricotta cheese is the way to go. We'll put some salt and pepper on top of that. Some parsley. And some oregano. Come over and shred up about 2 cups of mozzarella. I think it's easier if you put your mozzarella cheese in the freezer for about an hour first. I'll throw that in our mixing bowl. Mix it up real good. Make sure you get all those flavors mixed up. We're going to set that aside. And we'll go ahead and we'll take a large onion. We'll take the head and the toe off and get the skin off. And let's thin slice that onion. Let's hit saute on our Instant Pot. Once the pot's hot, add your oil. And throw our spicy Italian sausage into that oiled pot and chop it up. And we'll add our onions, and we'll go ahead and brown our sausage with those onions. Adds a little extra flavor. Mix it up until it's just about brown, and then we'll add our chicken broth. And once you get your chicken broth in there, go ahead and mix everything up. Make sure you got all your bits and pieces underneath the chicken broth. Break your spaghetti in half and put it down in layers in different directions. And use your spatula and kind of push that down a little bit, make sure it's all wet. And we'll throw a can of diced tomatoes on top of the spaghetti, and then a large jar of your favorite marinara, and then a bag of thawed Italian meatballs. And spread those around, push them down underneath your sauce. And let's put our lid on, seal it, and we'll pressure cook for 8 minutes. Now while that's cooking, let's go ahead and shred some cheddar cheese. We'll use a mild cheddar cheese just to give it that light buttery taste. And we'll fine shred some Parmesan, give you just a light bite. And after 8 minutes is up, get that pressure off. We'll take our lid off and let the steam out. Alright, we're going to go ahead and mix that up real well. And right there you got a pot of absolutely beautiful spaghetti meatballs. Let's add that $1 million cheese we worked on earlier. And we're going to put the lid on, let it sit for about 10 minutes on warm, just to soften it up a little bit. We'll push it underneath the spaghetti, mix it up real well. Boom. And we have ourselves some $1 million spaghetti. Absolutely beautiful. Use some tongs. Move what you want over to a plate. Gorgeous. Put your meatballs on top of your spaghetti, and we will sprinkle some of that buttery, mild cheddar cheese on top with some Parmesan cheese. And I like to get some fire out and make sure that cheese gets real melty and gooey on top. There you go. Throw some spaghetti and grab a half a meatball. Like I said before, this is a recipe I've been working on to get it just right. I don't get any burn signals, and we have just the right flavor. I'm very excited to sit down and dig into this plate of magnificent $1 million spaghetti. Twirl it up. Take a bite. It is so good. You will be so happy that you made this, and it's easy too. If you guys are fans of spaghetti and meatballs, this one will blow you away. I guarantee it. It's good for a couple of days. Feed your family. Throw it in the broiler, throw it in the air fryer the next day, and get crispy on your spaghetti. Oh my gosh. That cheese crispens up. It's so nice. Words cannot describe how amazing the flavor of this $1 million spaghetti is. Like I said, I recommend this. You guys will not be disappointed. The plates will be clean.
That was so good, honey. Oh my god. That's really good.
If you guys like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. You'll get notified when we get another video out there for you to watch. And if you are interested in this recipe, there is a link in this video's description that'll take you right to it. Thank you very much, you guys, for watching. We appreciate you. Take care of yourselves out there. Bye-bye.
Wow!